Hi, Stuart from Bletchley, Porsche C911 Targa, and I'm going to be replacing the bottom shells on the left hand side of the engine case. These haven't been out, these all still look in very good condition, but they're still going to all be replaced anyway. So I have my bottom end bearings there ready to go in. So all I'm going to do is just twist it to one side a little bit and pop it out. Can't be no simpler. Once again, twist it to that side a little bit and pop it out, and just keep going. The end one might be a bit more difficult because it wants to grip, so if I can just lever it a little tiny bit. You have to be careful here not to cause any damage.